Hello and welcome to another episode of How to Do It by Duane's Reliable Computer Services. So today we're going to talk about the taskbar. There's a lot you can do with the taskbar, and the taskbar is this bar that's along the bottom here. And the way you access the menu for it is you right click and there it is. You can also go to taskbar settings and it'll pop up like this. So the first thing we're going to do is just go through this. I like using the taskbar. Some people want to hide that, and you do this by automatically hide the taskbar in desktop mode. So we'll turn that on, and what happens, you can see the taskbar has disappeared. But if I put my mouse down here, it shows up again. So it gives you, another half an inch or so of real estate on your desktop if you do it that way. I like to have it available all the time, so I leave that turned off. We're going to use the menu, so we're going to go ahead and close that right now. So first thing we're going to do is right click on the taskbar and it opens up the menu for it. Okay, so first off, there are settings, there's an address bar, a links bar, and a desktop bar. The links bar, I think, is something more from previous versions of Windows attached to Internet Explorer. The address bar is very helpful if you just want to type something in, www.espn.com. It'll actually pop open your browser and take you to that site. Wow, and my Malwarebytes is not letting me go there, which that's because I didn't put a dot in there, but that's fine. I don't really use that, so I'm going to turn that off also. So we'll turn that off. Okay. Next thing it shows is search, and I've got the search icon right there on the taskbar. So what that means is I can pop that open and I can search anywhere on my computer or even on the internet. I like that because it's compact. It doesn't really get in the way much. So now with that search, you can hide it completely, or you can actually have the whole search bar, but because I am using smaller icons on mine, I can't really do that. So let's go down to the next thing. So there's the Show Cortana button. Now Cortana, and there's Cortana right there, is the Windows version of like Alexa or Siri, and you can search by voice if you have it set up to do that. So I don't really use that either though. So task view. So task view is this little guy right here, and it's kind of neat. It'll show you everything that you've had open, and if you go back, it'll show you everything you've opened on previous days. So some people like that. I've never really used it. I've never had a need to, but could be very helpful in certain situations. I don't use that again, so we'll turn that off. Next one is people. So people, I don't have this set up. But if you use the Windows Mail, you can add all of your contacts into that and get that started that way. So more convenient to get a hold of people. And so, okay. And then the next one is Show Windows Ink Workspace button. Now that's for if you have a probably more like a laptop, a Surface, something like that, that has a pen that comes with it where you can actually write on the screen. There's some helpful things that you can do with that. Show touch keyboard. So that puts your keyboard right there so you can pop it open and use that. If you have a touch screen, of course, you can touch it. If not, you can use your mouse for those keys, but again, it's going to take up real estate down here. I don't really use it, so I will turn that off. Now, here's the next thing that I really wanted to show you on here, and that is the Cascade Windows, Show Windows Stacked, Show Windows Side by Side, and Show the Desktop. I've got a number of things open right now on this screen. If I say Cascade Windows, it's going to put them all in order for me, so I can see which one I need to get to. Next one, Show Windows Stacked. It's going to put them basically 6 to the screen. So that's could be helpful in some situations. Show Windows Side by Side is going to put them in that manner, very similar to the other one, and show the desktop. It's going to take everything away so you can actually see the desktop, which, oh, I've got all my icons up there. Let's get rid of those. So I usually, when I do a video, I do this so that the desktop is nice and clean. Okay, so that takes us down to, I've got everything minimized, so all those, as you can see, are not listed right now, but it says show open windows, so I can pop that and bring them right back. So as you can see, there's a lot you can do with this. You can also get to the task manager. Instead of hitting Control-Alt-Delete and going to task manager, you can do that and it'll pop open the task manager for you. So very helpful. And I don't like my task, well, one thing before I do that. So you don't have to have your taskbar on the bottom. If you click and drag, you can drag your taskbar to the side, or to the top, or to the other side. I've seen different people that have them different places. Personally, I like mine at the bottom. Once you have it exactly how you like it, you go down here and you click on that and it locks it into place, so now I cannot move it to another place. So that's my video on the taskbar. I hope this has been helpful to you. There's a lot of neat stuff that you can do with Windows menus. You've just got to play with them a little bit. So if you liked this video, tell me about it in the comments and subscribe so you can see all my videos. Thank you.